Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Praveen. I am your new English teacher for you. Today I am going to teach a new lesson in your 8th standard textbook. Dear students, do you all know what is English? As English is one of the languages. In the world we can see different languages. For example, in Karnataka, Kannada is one of the languages. Like that, in the world we can see so many different languages. In these languages, English is one of the prominent languages and also important language in the world. Why? As because the language is used worldwide. Worldwide means we use the English always and all the countries. So English is very necessary and very important. Okay, today I am going to teach a new lesson for you. Before I am teach a new lesson, I would like to say one story. Would you like to listen a story?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. The story is about one of the prominent figure in India. Her name is Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar. Have you heard her name? Okay. Don't worry. Medha Patkar is a well-known figure in India. Why is she famous? She was famous for she devoted her whole life for social service, particularly uplift for the tribals. Tribals means what? Tribals means in Kannada Budakattu Jananga. They have Medha Patkar was trying to devoted her whole life for social service and also it means help the poor peoples and also tribals. She helped the tribals to uplift or development their society or their lifetime. Okay. This is a Medha Patkar famous. Why did Medha Patkar famous? Because she devoted her life for a social service and uplift for the tribals. One of the important things for Medha Patkar is she started a Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Do you know Narmada name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Narmada is one of the river in India. Bachao Andolan. Narmada is one of the river and Bachao means save. Andolan means protest. Yes, she started a Narmada Bachao Andolan in India because why did she start a Narmada Bachao Andolan? For protest against the construction of the Narmada Dam across the river. The river is Narmada. She started a protest against the Narmada Dam construction at the river of the Narmada. So she started Narmada Bachao Andolan all over the India. Okay, these are the one of the social service and also her famous work. She got so many awarded for her work. Which are the awards she got? First one, Goldman Environmental Prize. Goldman Environment Prize. And second one, Green Ribbon Award. Green Ribbon Award. These are the awards she got in her lifetime. That's why Medha Patkar is famous in India. Dear children, did you understand the story about Medha Patkar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I will ask some questions related to this topic. Can you answer to me all the questions? First question. Why did Medha Patkar started Narmada Bachao Andolan? Yes, that is correct answer. She started Narmada Bachao Andolan for protest against the construction of the Narmada Dam across the river. Yes, very good. Why did Medha Patkar prominent figure in India? Yes, Medha Patkar was devoted her life to social service and especially particularly uplift for the tribals. That's why Medha Patkar is famous or prominent woman personality in India. Okay, in your English textbook, the one of the story or one of the lesson given like same Medha Patkar. In your lesson also one of the woman personality is there. Her name is Sai Paranjapai. Okay, the lesson name is All the World Her Stays. What is the lesson name? As All the World Her Stays. Okay, now all of you open a English textbook at the page number 97. Yes, all of you open? Yes. Now I first read a lesson. You all of you carefully observe the words or sentences. After I completing my reading, you will read one by one. Okay. This is a short life sketch of Sai Paranjapai, a famous theatre personality from Pune, Maharashtra. She has also directed many television serials. She won the National Award for the Best Documentary with a social purpose. Her films are relevant even today. It was a familiar sight to the residents of Pune, a plump little girl of about 6 or 7 skipping along with an elderly gentleman. They talked and had a great time. The little girl was Sai and the gentleman was a famous educationist and mathematician, Sir Harpi Paranjapai, India's first senior wrangler, and Sai's grandfather Appa. As they walked up, Appa put simple mathematical questions and also related fables to her. These included fairy tales, Arabian Nights and Birbal stories. Sai naturally preferred the fairy tales to mathematical problems. Okay student, today class we will discuss about this much only. Okay, now you read in your mind silently. Okay, have you read? Yes. Dear students, in the selected test, we can see some new words or difficult words. When we understand the meaning of these difficult or new words, we can easily understand the lesson, isn't it? Yes. Some new words are there in the lesson or selected test. For example, relevant. Second one is life sketch. Observe the textbook, you can see the new words in the sentences. So life sketch and a plump girl. Plump is a new word for us. Plump. And another one is wrangler. And another one is fairy tales. Okay, these are the new words we can observe or found in the selected text. When we understand the meaning of these words, we can understand the lesson easily. Isn't it? Yes, clear. First one, the meaning of the words is relevant means, what is the meaning meaning of relevant? Related. Related. Or it is the meaning near to other word. For example, the Sai was related to a city, Pune. She was like in the Pune. She relates to the city of Pune. And another one is life sketch. As in the textbook, the story all the world are stays is the life sketch of Sai Paranjapai. It means life sketch means story about. This story given or tells about a Sai Paranjapai. Life sketch means story about to whom or how or why. Okay. Next one, plump. Plump is a new word. Plump means fatty girl. Fatty means a large shape of body. Yes. In the lesson, saw it as a plump girl. Plump means fatty girl. Another wrangler. It is also new word. Wrangler as the father or gentleman of the in the lesson gentleman was a senior wrangler. Senior wrangler means what? Wrangler means very intelligent in mathematics. In the subject mathematics, he is an intelligent. So it is called as wrangler. Anybody in the lesson in the classroom like to mathematics subject? Has so many students like to study the mathematics, but some students it is a difficult subject. But when we understand the mathematics, it is the most very simple subject for us. And other one is fairy tales. Fairy tales means short stories. Short stories. Fairy tales means short stories. These stories are give a entertainment to the kids. In our when we are children or young boys or kids, my grandmothers or grandfathers told so many short stories. They are related to animals or grandmothers and other entertainment stories. Did you understand the new words, my dear students? Has relevant means related. Life sketch means story about. Plump means fatty girl. Wrangler means intelligent in a mathematics subject. And fairy tales means short stories. Okay, now all of you write the new words in your text notebook. Write firstly. Shall I rub the blackboard, students? Yes. Now all of you look at the lesson carefully. I will explain the para-wise. Okay? Yes. The lesson or prose name is How the World Stays. In the lesson, her. Do you know her? As her is grammatically one of the pronoun. This her word denotes a Sai Paranjapai. Yes, in the lesson, her means Sai Paranjapai. All the world, her stays. It shows one of the prominent figure in India, the Sai Paranjapai. Yes, the first para begins with a close the bracket and open the bracket. This shows it is the introduction for Sai Paranjapai. This is a short life sketch of Sai Paranjapai. It means this whole lesson says about Sai Paranjapai life sketch or story. Why was she famous? What she did in her life and how many awards she got. This all we learn in the lesson. So this is a short life sketch of Sai Paranjapai. She was a famous theatre personality from Pune. Yes, came from Pune. Pune is the one of the famous city in the state of Maharashtra. Like that, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the famous city in Karnataka. Like that, Pune is one of the famous city in the Maharashtra. Maharashtra is one of the state of India. So she came from Maharashtra. Famous theatre personality. She is famous for theatre personality. Theatre personality means she worked in the theatre field. Means like that, Dr. Rajkumar, Amitabh Bachchan, and other so many directors are there. Like that, Sai Paramhansa Pai also works as a director and a television director, producer, and etc. So she is a famous theatre personality in India. She has also directed many television serials. Yes, we already know that she is a famous theatre personality. Famous theatre personality. Yes, another point is she directed many television serials. Television serials. Do you watch any television serials? Yes, like the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and now modern any other serials. Okay, like that, so many television serials she directed. All the serials are relevant to the society or social problems. So she won the national awards. Okay, she won the national awards also. National awards. How Medha Patkar also won the so many awards for her social service. Like that, Sai Paramhansa Pai directed many television serials. So she won the national award for her television serials and also documentary. She awarded the national award for documentary. Documentary, it is the piece of a theatre work or film or serial. That documentary was related to a social purpose. Okay, dear students, understand why was she awarded the national award? Yes, she awarded the national award for documentary work. This documentary work related to social purpose. That's why she won the award. Next one, her films are relevant even today. She not only directed the television serials, she also directed the many films. So all the films we can watch the Sai Paramhansa Pai films even today also. This is the first para that was given in the brackets. It means it shows the introduction of Sai Paramhansa Pai. Did you understand the first para, dear students? Yes, this is told about Sai Paramhansa Pai was a famous theatre personality and she directed many television serials and also she won the national award for her best documentary work that related to social purpose. Okay, next para. It was a familiar sight to the residents of Pune. Yes, in the first para, second para, that given by her childhood life, Sai Paramhansa Pai, how she grew in her childhood life. She grew in the place of Pune. Yes, in the Maharashtra, she grew in the Pune. It was a familiar sight to the residents of Pune because she was a famous theatre personality. When she was child, all the residents means citizens observed her and watched her how she was playing. What are the interests of Sai Paranjapai? Yes, it was the familiar sight. Sight means view. S-I-G-H-T. Sight means view. In everyday, regularly, the residents means citizens of the Pune watch her Sai Paranjapai. A plump little girl means you already know that the meaning of the plump. Plump means fatty girl, very big shape. Sai Paranjapai, when she was a child or baby, she was a plump girl of about 6 or 7. At the age of 6 or 7. In the age of 6 or 7, she looking like very plump. Skipping along with an elderly gentleman, she always spends her time with an elderly gentleman. Yes, in the time of when we were the boy or child, we also spend our time with our grandparents. Like that, Sai Paranjapai also spends her childhood life with elderly gentlemen. How was they spend their time? They spend her time, they with laughter. Laughter means it is the action of happy. And talked, they always each other talked about the stories or related other things. Who are talked? Has Sai Paranjapai and a elderly gentleman. And also they had a great time. Yes, in the time of her 6 or 7 age, she had a great time with her gentleman, elderly gentleman. Next, the little girl was Sai. As in the above paragraph, we now the little girl or plump girl spend her time with the elderly gentleman. Who is she? Yes, little plump girl is Sai Paranjapai. And the gentleman, and also we know that the gentleman, she spends her time with elderly gentleman. She is Sai Paranjapai. Who is gentleman? As gentleman, he is a famous educationist and mathematician. As her partner, her elderly gentleman was a famous educationist and also mathematician. His name is Sir R.P. Paranjapai. His name, elderly gentleman name is Sir R.P. Paranjapai. And little girl is Sai. Little girl name is Sai. And next, elderly gentleman. His name is Sir R.P. Paranjapai. Who was Sir R.P. Paranjapai? Yes, R.P. Paranjapai was a great educationist and also mathematician. And also he was the India's first senior wrangler. And also he was the first Indian senior wrangler. First Indian senior wrangler. Wrangler means very intelligent in mathematics subject. Okay, did you understand about Sir R.P. Paranjapai and Sai Paranjapai? Sai was a famous theatre personality and Sir R.P. Paranjapai was a famous educationist and also mathematician and also first Indian senior wrangler. Yes. Next, as they walked means Sai and R.P. Paranjapai. Okay, as they walked, I have already told that they spent their time in the time of childhood. So, as they walked, Happa is Sai called her grandfather as a Happa. We also called our grandparents as Happa or Hamma. Like that, Sai called her grandfather, her elderly gentleman, as a Happa. When they are walked each other, Happa put a simple mathematical problems to Sai. When they are evening time, they spend the time or walking each other. Appa has some little or simple problems. They are related to mathematics subject. For example, 2 plus 4, what? 6. Sai, when you get 6 apples and next you eat 3 apples. How many apples are remaining? Has. Like that, Sir R.P. Paranjapai is an elderly gentleman. He is put a simple questions to Sai. And next, and also related fables to, and also on that time, Happa means Sir R.P. Paranjapai told a simple fables. Fables means short stories. Short stories he told to Sai. The short stories are related or included. First one, fairy tales. Fairy tales. And second one is Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights. And another one is Birbal's stories. Birbal's stories. These are the fables told to Sai by R.P. Paranjapai. As we are also like to listen this type of short stories. Like that, R.P. Paranjapai put a simple mathematical problems to Sai with he told some fables. These fables included fairy tales, Arabian Nights and Birbal's stories. Have you heard any Birbal stories? Yes, very interested. Birbal stories are very interested. And he is the wisest person. Birbal. Yes. Sai naturally preferred the fairy tales to mathematical problems. Always she wants when they are spending a time evening with the walking at the time, always Sai wants to some mathematical related problems or fables to her grandpa or Appa. His name is Sir R.P. Paranjapai. Okay, dear students, understand the lesson of today class? Yes. Okay, now I am checking to what were you understanding. Okay, it means I am asking some questions related to lesson. Can you answer the questions easily? Okay, first question. Why was Sai famous in India? Anybody can answer? Yes. Can you answer? Sai Paranjapai was a famous theatre personality. Yes, very good. Famous theatre personality in India. Next question. Which award she won for her documentary work? Which award she won? Yes, correct. Which award? National award. National award. Next question. How was Sai Paranjapai spends her time when she was child? When she was child, how was she spend her time? Yes, she spends a time with her Appa. Appa means elderly gentleman. How she was spent? She talked and listen some stories. Listen the stories. and had a great time. Yes. Next question. Who was R.P. Paranjapai? As I am taught, who was R.P. Paranjapai? As R.P. Paranjapai was first Indian serial wrangler and also grandfather for Sai Paranjapai. He was a famous educationist and mathematician and also first Indian senior wrangler R.P. Paranjapai. It is very important. Okay, underline this word R.P. Paranjapai. Next, last question. Which are the fables Happa R.P. Paranjapai told to Sai? As I taught, there are 3 stories or fables. Which are the 3 fables grandfather or R.P. Paranjapai told to Sai Paranjapai? Yes, first one, fables or fairy tales. And next one, Arabian Nights. And last one, Birbal stories. Very good. Birbal story. Yes, all of you understand the lesson correctly. Okay, now you write a homework for tomorrow class. Write the homework. First question. Why was Sai famous? Why was Sai is a prominent figure in India? Over. Write correctly. Don't mistake the spellings. First question. Why was Sai famous in India? Second question. Who was R.P. Paranjapai? Second question. Who was R.P. Paranjapai? And last question. This question based on the activity. Okay. Tomorrow you list out any